Uh, my name is Anirban Ghatak. I have around 8 years of experience in sales reporting, analysis, sales force administration, managing or supporting the end user for my previous organizations. Basically, it's a cloud-based CRM tool that which currently available in the market. The company is started or in some, you can say that probably 18 or 19 years back in 1999. And basically, the Salesforce is providing a platform. Basically, you can manage your data, your existing client data, or you can say that your prospective clients, leads, all records and information you can store in Salesforce. You can do lead management, 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 keeping dossiers related to your accounts, and you can run your reports, critical reports, which need basically helpful for the leadership team to take decisions. And you are very helpful, and you can create very lucrative dashboards out of the data. So I'll give you a brief presentation. What exactly the Salesforce is and what we have to do and how we have to manage the platform itself. In administration, basically the role is to manage the entire platform on the back end, providing the end user support to users. If if there is any issues, login or if there is any issues from the back end, if some of them some of the features is not functioning, then we will reach out to the Salesforce admin person, and that's the role basically. See that this is the homepage of Salesforce. There are many different tabs which are available. So I'll show you and I'll tell you each and every tab the details. Sorry, so my throat is not well. This is the setup page. Basically, this page holds the information about your personal information. You can see that how many users are using the Salesforce platform from your company. If you create or if you want to create or if you want to add any new users, you can do that. So I'll show you by one. So for you, your personal information. So currently, I'll show you mine. So just a minute. Information. You can details related about Anirban Ghatak. You can see the email ID, username, the name, and other mission details. So you can see what kind of profile. So there are multiple profiles. Market sales. There is the system administrator. The administrator only holds maximum rights compared to the users. This is my personal profile, so I say myself as a system administrator. So the information. Suppose you want to change anything, any information, you have to click on the edit button. If you want to change the current email ID, the current registered email ID, so you have inserted a new email ID over here. You need to click on save button. Then that information will get updated into the You can see information if you want to change your password, if you want to change any other information, you can do that. There is email, desktop integration. The chatter setting. Chatter is one of the most powerful tools. Basically, right now, I mean, most of the information sharing is happen into some through the chatter itself. So I'll show all those details probably in my next presentations in detail. I'll show you how the chatter basically looks like. So this is basically the chatter. If you want to post anything, suppose if there is a user called Anirban, so you can you can so click this information will get shared, okay, a new method, because right now there is no other valid user is there, so I have used mine. If we select any other user at the rate the user name, then the name will be automatically get popped up into below under the, and then you have to select that user and you have to write whatever the comments. Suppose if you want to change your profile, if you want to change your role, if there is some issues regarding the system, if you are not able to access one of the pages, you can reach out to the support team. I'll show you accounts page. Accounts page basically it's about where your existing clients, your prospective clients information will page basically it will hold up. So I'll show you one of them. Yes. So there are no active owner into the system, because this is my personal profile. I've selected myself as the account owner. So okay, so you can select who is active account person for the particular account. So name, it's basically remove the organization. Parent, you do have that information available. You can update that. You can edit and add that particular account. So first you need to make sure that that particular account has to be there in Salesforce. Just SIC code that is available on the DMB, and if you do have information from the other websites, you can update that SIC segments standard industry classification code. If you do have the information about that organization and how much revenue has been generated over the last year, you can update that total employee size. Account description means the company description, that what exactly the company is does. And the phone number, the tax, website, the particular information, you can read that over itself. The question is basically about the address details, any other, the territory, shipping address. These are mandatory details, but yes, address details is definitely you have to update the address details. Without address details, you cannot create an organization. Below the pretty information about the opportunities, contacts, cases. It means anything that is that's to be done account. Like suppose if your account manager or your sales manager has something with this account next week, so you can create a case. So case will be logged up there, and you can select the priority. And according to the movement of the case, you can update the status. Contact basically is content. Let me open one. Contact basically name of the persons, name of the your, it may be existing client, it may be your prospective client. So name of your client, the company name, the title, the job title of the person, belongs to department, and phone number, email. These are the critical information. And apart from these are not mandatory ones. That is details. We read that. If you don't have, you can skip that information. No worries on that. I'll show you the office. Very clean one. Oppositely, you can say that you do have the opportunity with your existing or with your prospective client. So opportunity basically this holds the information about uh, the opportunity or basically the business. It's it's business details basically. The opportunity will tells you that uh, the contract value of the you can contract value probably if the opportunity is in the stage. There are multiple stages. So let me show you. So if the opportunity application is there, you can be make 20%. You can you can separate the amount is $5,000. So the it's already that's it's at the post. Okay, I dated the stage from slots to qualification and amount from $200,000 to $500,000. So these are critical information, and there are, I mean, some other information like open activity history. You can check that. This is the important one, stage history. That I mean, myself has I mean, updated the stages and bounds. Okay, and all of the information will get stored in the stage history. If suppose tomorrow if anyone can come down and come and just ask that why that information has been changed. So from this tab, I mean, you can I mean, let them know. I mean, this information has been changed by that on that day. Okay, with all those details. So more thing. So when you open this case, basically case if there are any issues, okay, with the system, if there is any issues, accessibility issues, suppose I mean one of the features is not I mean getting reflected or getting updated in the system properly, if you're not accessing I mean one of the tab properly, so you can I mean raise the risk, okay, I mean to the support team, so they can I mean reach out to you and to solve or try to resolve your issues. Okay. And two more tabs. One is report and one is dashboard. I mean these are the very critical ones. Okay. Other one I'll show you. I mean how the basically the report. Sorry, it's for you. Some are basically four different types of report. I mean you can run in SalesForce. One is one is summary. One is metrics. One is joint report. See, this is a summary report I have already I mean prepared. Okay, so the report is basically about that how many opportunities we have in systems according to their stage wise. So you can say that when prospecting is one stage, there are one opportunities lined up in system. In qualification, there are five. I'll just presentation. Okay, I mean there are only 16 records. I mean lined up and system, and out of that we have I mean five opportunities are in qualification stage. Analysis the other stage. So basically, this is one of the type of the reports that I have prepared. in future classes, I'll give you one brief uh, introduction and how basically the report has to be run or has to be prepared in Salesforce. I think there is a dashboard. There is a very important thing. I mean, out of this, you can see the dashboard itself. Okay, so that basically it's a electrical representation of the data. This is the data, stage-wise. This stage-wise data and a dashboard. This is the pictorial representation of your data. So graphical representation, you can say that. So through the graph, through the line chart, I have tried to highlight that these are the values, okay, which are lined up against all these stages in Salesforce. And now if you want to design, suppose reports and dashboard, um, if you don't use a dashboard in your home tab, suppose customize your home tab. See, I mean, how we can do that. So you do all those information. It's available in Salesforce. So you select report and dashboard and just need to click on remove. Just you need to click on then home page. Let's put it. Let's update. We have removed the reports and dashboards from home page. So it's already done. Okay. If you want to remove or if you want to add other columns, any that you can do that with the help of the customize page, my tab. So thanks to hear me. I hope I was able enough to make you understand about the demo and about the introduction class of the Salesforce.com.